Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first unroll the list of all apps and then go to settings. Now find and select additional settings and go to backup and reset. Here click on reset phone and select reset all settings. Then draw your unlock pattern and tap on reset all settings. Confirm that you wish to do it and just wait till the operation is finished. And that's it. As you can see, system settings have been restored. So that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.